Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. As you might have already guessed, today's video is about 2 DIY wall plates, and I'm gonna share all the details like what other than plate you can use, and what is the substitute of air dry clay and all that. So let's begin. So obviously for this DIY you'll need a plate, but if you don't have melamine plate, then either you can use a cardboard, a round cardboard like this, or maybe a clay tawa like this. And I have already made so many things using this clay tawa, like this one, or you can use cake board. You can just cut it out in any shape you want, oval, circle, square, rectangle, whatever you wish. Or other than that, you can use cardboard boxes and cut out the circle, oval, or whatever shape you wish. So that's about the plates. Now let me tell you what other than air dry clay you can use. So air dry clay is actually cold porcelain clay. When this clay is exposed to air, it hardens. It's that simple. Okay, so if you don't have air dry clay, then what you can use is paper mache clay. Other than paper mache clay, you can use M-Seal or Shilpkar or Fevicryl molded. So these are the substitute that can be used in place of air dry clay. Now let's begin the tutorial. First, make a paste of wall putty in water. Consistency should be like this, and then apply it on the melamine plate. While it dries, we are going to make piping bag and fill the same paste in the piping bag. Consistency should be little thinner than the previous paste. Just add little more water, and then all we have to do is just pipe the pattern and do it gently, slowly. And once it dries, fill it with the vibrant colors. I'm using acrylic colors here, though fabric colors can also be used. And after filling the colors, don't forget to give it a coat of varnish to seal the entire work. First, dust the surface with talcum powder or flour and then roll out the clay. I'm using air dry clay here. You can use Fevicryl molded, and then I have this pattern here which I'm pressing on the clay. And then just cut it out. Engrave the patterns using any sharp tool, and then you can paint it in your choice of color. So I first painted it in black, and then I just applied gold powder on it. Now again roll out the clay exactly the size of your plate. And then you have to cut out the center part, and then you have to stick the clay like so. And then prime it with white acrylic color, and then you can paint it in your choice of colors. I'm using really vibrant colors here because I'm making a plate which looks ethnic Indian, hence all the vibrant colors. And then it's time to stick these embroidery mirrors. Remember that you have to stick all the mirrors while the clay is still wet. You can use mirrors in different shapes and sizes. And here I am making some more details. It's done. And don't forget to give it a coat of varnish. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you try to make these plates, then don't forget to share your recreations with me on my Instagram and on my Facebook. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.